NaNoWriMo, NaNoWriMo. It's the first day of NaNoWriMo Covid edition. So, I got up late this morning. I didn't expect to. I got up at 8, although daylight savings, I really just slept till 7. No, it's 7, but because of daylight savings, it's 8. So, did I get that right? No, it's 8, but because of daylight savings, it was 7, and now it's 8. No, yeah, I'm so confused. Forget it. It's not. It's early in the morning. I got to get writing. You too. One thing I forgot to mention yesterday was try to pick a time and day to write. I am going to try and write first thing in the morning. I am okay with getting up late today because it's Sunday. The rest of the week, it's going. I have it set. I'm most likely to get up by 6:37. We shall see. But have fun. Good luck. 1667. Oh, and let me know if you did your 1667 in the comments below. Okay. Oh, and you can tell me about your story. I like to hear people's stories.